Yes, I've headed down here to Promac, and I'm going to catch up now with Lee Marriott. Now, Lee, Promac, it's the UK's largest supplier of glass, PVC and aluminium machinery. How are you finding Fit Show so far?
So far it's been pretty good. We've had some decent inquiries, some large companies coming on to see the new platforms. We've got some particular interest in our new seamless steel welder, which is just over there.
Oh, let's go and have a look.
So here we have a Graft Synergy seamless steel welder. Basically, it will weld the steel, it will come off completely cleaned and ready to go with no penning, no buffing.
Wow, so you really get a really clean, smooth finish.
Straight away, yeah. So it's a 2-minute cycle, off comes the steel with no weld to clean at all.
Amazing. So what would be the alternative if you didn't have this, for example?
You would weld, then you'd have a guy that would have to knife off and buff the white, or knife off and pen in the actual foil colour. So it's quite a labour-intensive process. So this will actually help fabricators produce better quality steel welds and quicker.
Saves time, and it looks fantastic as well.
Very much, thank you.
Now, what other machines have you got to show us today?
So we have got the other machines over here, which are the Promac ETL machinery. So I'll come and take you to that.
Just heading through this lovely, serene reception area. You've got a really big stand here this year, haven't you guys?
Yes. So here we've got basically a machine that can process the profile and a welder. And basically what this product will do is give you a finish that is welded, but with a mechanical joint on the outside to represent timber.
So what are the benefits? Obviously, aesthetically, it looks great.
Yep, aesthetically it looks great. And the only other way that you can achieve this type of join is by mechanical joining with screws and blocks, etc., which is very labour intensive. This whole process to produce this one square would take about 4 minutes.
Wow, that's really quick, isn't it?
Yeah, so you're looking probably about 20 to 30% a lot faster than a standard mechanical join.
And time really is everything in this business, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yeah. I mean, the thing is, these are high-end products that fabricators try and get as much margin for as possible, but obviously processing it quicker means that you'll definitely get even more, and you can obviously push it to a higher price.
Now, how difficult is it keeping up with all of these innovations and keeping ahead of the game?
Well, it's not difficult. We're constantly talking to the system houses like Rahal, Epwin Group, to Koenig, etc., to find out what profiles are coming onto the market, and then it's up to us really to find the solution so the fabricators can obviously produce them fast enough and quick enough.
There's another rather large machine over this way. Can we head over there? If you can tell me a bit about that one.
Yes, sure.
Wow, this one looks very technical indeed.
Yes. So this machine is our automated cutting and machining centre. It's designed specifically to process aluminium. So very much like how PVC profiles are processed, this will process aluminium bar length, cut it and machine it to the desired requirements, and basically spit out pieces at the end.
Let's go and have a look at the pieces as they come out the end. We like to see the whole process here. This really is so high tech, it's incredible.
This machine's actually been shortened down, so this is only a 1 metre off-feed conveyor. Normally this will be a 6 metre off-feed conveyor, so actually the machine can be another 5 metres longer. But as you can see, the pieces will be cut and they'll come off, cut to the right dimensions and with the right preps and drainage in. And this is basically what we've been showcasing. These are 3 new machines that are unique and not been seen before in the UK market.
Fantastic stuff. Now, obviously, this year is our first year moving to the NEC. Obviously, it suits you guys needing all this room for your machines, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I mean, the good thing is having the additional space means we can put platforms on this size, whereas beforehand, the stands that we have taken have been crammed, you couldn't move, and despite the machines, we're trying to get the machines down into a reasonable size. There was no room to obviously entertain and meet guests, etc. So the additional space has been welcomed.
Absolutely, and you've got lots of area in a nice seating area here. If people want to come down and have a chat and catch up with you, they'll be very welcome.
Yes, they would be. I mean, that's the whole idea, that we've got 3 new platforms that haven't been seen before. We want people to come along, see what's new, see how we can help them improve their fabrication, and also have a chat, coffee, bite to eat, and obviously have a catch up with us.
Brilliant stuff. Thank you so much, Lee, for showing us round. Do head down to Promac. They've got coffee.